Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on non-Mudalvan skill development program. I hope you all are enjoying and learning through my videos. This video demonstrates how to modify the builds and transfer behavior of material flow object with the exit control. In this part, we ourselves have to make sure that the parts move to the stations of our choice. Material flow object activates the control as soon as part is ready to move on after being processed. Let's create our simulation model. Insert a source, several stations, and a drain. Connect all the objects through connector. Rename the single procs to station 1 to station 5 by clicking on each station. To make the object name visible, open the 3D properties of the class object of a single procs. Switch to tab caption and mark the checkbox near by name and label. The source creates 1000 parts. Double-click the source to open its dialog box. On tab Attribute, select Number Adjustable and enter the amount 1000 parts. When we run the simulation, we see that default access strategy just divides 1000 parts equally among the successor of the stations. Select the station by dragging a marker key over them and press F6 to open the statistic reports. As you want number of objects to use the same control, we program it in a method, which we insert into a frame. Select the method and press F2 key. Rename the method to myExitControl. To tell Plant Simulation which control to use, drag it onto the station. The icon of the control then changes to denote that this method is the exit control. When we open the station, we see that Plant Simulation entered myExitControl into the text box Exit Control. To change back to the method, we click in the text box Exit and press F2. Now we are ready to start programming. Because this method is used as an exit control, Plant Simulation automatically enters the text at.move into the method. The source produces 1000 parts and moves these to the station. We are going to count the incoming parts and then after certain number has been reached, move the following parts to a different successor. To do so, we read the statistics value stat num in. First, we delete the line which is automatically created. We then declare local variable. We place the cursor in the first line and enter var n : integer colon equals station 1 dot stat num in. This creates the variable name and assign the number of parts entering the station. We click on control structure on the edit tab and select if, else if, end. This inserts the if statement into the source curve. First we replace the condition with our condition, n less than or equal to 100. Next we replace then branch with at.move station 2. The at sign in the source curve denotes the part which is going to be moved. This statement moves the first 100 part to the station 2. Then replace the else if condition with our condition, namely n less than or equal to 300. We replace the remaining then branch with at.move station 3. This moves next 200 parts to the station 3. We then press enter, type in else and press enter again. Now we type in following at.move station 4. This moves the remaining 700 parts to the station 4. As before, the at sign denotes the part which is going to be moved. The X mark in the title bar of the control tells the source curve contain unsaved changes. To save them, we click Apply Change or F7 and close the control. Now we will run the simulation again and check the statistic report. It shows that parts are distributed as we have programmed them to do. First 100 parts move to station 1 and another 200 parts to station 2 and remaining 700 parts to station 4. To be able to better follow how the station distributes the part, we reduce the simulation speed, open the event controller by double-clicking on it, drive the speed slider to the left. Then we start the simulation again. We can clearly see how the parts move from station to station. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.